have a few appointments, so it should be pretty quiet.
Yes, Margaret.
And you know Walter Jackson is waiting in room 1.
Yes, Margaret.
And the supplies are coming in later this morning, right?
Yes, yes, and yes, Margaret. God, you don't have to tell me everything like a million times.
Did you call the locksmith to fix the bathroom door?
Well, if you leave already, maybe I could get around to it. Come on, the lawyer said you have to be in his office exactly at 10.
I just don't feel right about this. Evelyn Crane was just a patient I got friendly with. Why would she mention me in her will?
Who cares? The important thing is you were nice to someone, and lucky you, they died. Think about it. You could come back rich.
If I can come back rich, I'm not coming back.
Walter, nice to see you again. New shoes?
The left one.
Okay. So how you feeling?
Good. But that's the problem. I read this article about people who can't feel pain, and I've been feeling fine lately. So it got me thinking, what if I'm one of those people? I mean, I could be in excruciating pain right now and not even know it.
Walter, that condition's called hyposensitivity, and I seriously doubt if you have it.
Well, I'd like to know for sure. Isn't there some kind of test you can run? Oh, thank God.
Always nice to see you, Walter.
Oh, but what if I do get that disease? How will I know?
All right, here. Home test kit.
Hi. Adler's Medical Supply. You want them all right here?
No, why don't you leave the truck outside for a couple of months? If I want anything, I'll just go out and get it.
Okay. Smart ass.
Glenda, I'm gonna go to lunch. Oh, did Margaret remember to call a locksmith?
Oh, she must have forgotten. You know what I always say, if you want something done right, do it yourself. Oh, you want me to do it? I'll get right on it. Okay. Ooh. Locksmith, locksmith, lava lamps. Ooh. I've been looking for one of those.